Hey, you can do anything you put your mind to. Never give up on your dreams. Keep smiling no matter what you're going through. If you fall down, just get up. If you can't get up, your friends are there to help you up. Your mama's there, your daddy's there, God's there. Hey, I'm there to help you up. You're there. It's gonna be all right. Just keep smiling, man.
The greatest version of you is not the I can do anything version of you. The greatest version of you is the disciplined version of you.
If you have an idea that you genuinely think is good, don't let some idiot talk you out of it.
Bravery is not the absence of fear. Bravery is feeling fear and moving forward anyway.
If you've made it through addiction or mental illness, you have something. Because a lot of people don't. If you are still kicking today, battling those demons, you have something, because a lot of people didn't wake up today because they couldn't make it.
Dreams without goals are just dreams.
Lazy people do a little work and think they should be winning, but winners work as hard as possible and still worry if they're being lazy.